If you're having issues connecting the camera to the console, you may need to repair the FlashAir card to the console. In order to do that, remove the FlashAir card from the camera, insert it into the provided SD card reader, and plug that into the USB slot on the side. Then you're going to select the Maintenance tab at the bottom, go to SD card Utility button, and click the blue Set button. Then you'll get a message saying Pairing Successful. Once that's done, remove the SD card reader, insert the FlashAir card back into the camera, turn it on, and you'll get a message that the camera is connected. In the rare instance you're still having trouble connecting the camera to the console, you may need to reformat the FlashAir card. So go ahead and remove the FlashAir card, plug it back into the SD card reader, and plug that back into the USB slot. Then you'll go to the Maintenance button, click that, and go to SD card Utility. Then you'll select Repair. Once it's repaired, you'll get a green message saying Repair Successful. Now go ahead and remove the SD card reader, plug the FlashAir card back into the camera, turn it on, and you'll get a message saying Camera is connected. Now you're ready to use the IDW520 system.